we're going to the wave pool. I'm so excited. I'm taking this little grommet. She's holding the light for me.
Yeah! Hi guys!
So yeah, we're going to the wave pool. I'm coaching Claire and she's gonna go shred it up. She's got 3 sessions at the wave pool and yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. So Sydney Urban Surf, let's do it. We are pulling up at the wave pool. So exciting!
I got it.
Hey. Yeah!
Yeah!
Hello! How are you? Yes.
Make sure you validate the ticket and receipt.
Okay.
To our phone.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah!
Wave pool's right there. This is so exciting.
Let me get your face bigger behind you.
It's so cool every time you pull up, hey? You're like,
Yeah, it's so exciting.
it's just like, feels like Disneyland or something.
Yeah, that's
We just got to the wave pool and it looks so freaking fun out there. I'm so excited to watch Claire. She's working on some forehand snaps at the moment, so yeah, excited to work on that with her today. And you guys, there's a heated pool, so I'm 100% jumping in that. So yeah, last time I was at the wave pool was in Melbourne and I got a concussion. I was concussed for like 3 months because I went headfirst into the concrete. But I'm so excited to just get back out there and surf again. Just not today. But yeah, this is the heated pool. So sick. So fun. I think this would be like intermediate turns maybe. So sick. Yes, sis. Have fun.
Yeah.
What are we working on?
Compressing after my turns.
Yes. Riding out
Riding out.
confidently.
Yeah.
Just own it. Own the turn, yeah?
On the turn.
Here she goes. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Shred. Destroy. Baby, don't shake your body. Don't shake. Baby, don't shake your body. Going in the pool. Got my bikini on. Let's go.
Oh, it feels
just got some lunch, got a burrito. Claire got chippies. Claire got chips.
So I was listening. Got some choco.
And then I'm editing. Claire's going over her footage and making some videos. We had some lunch and it was absolutely delicious, and now Claire's out there again for her second session on the left this time, and I think it's intermediate left, and she's absolutely ripping. And then we're gonna go chill out for a bit, go over some footage, and then she's got one more session. So, and I just got my credits transferred from Melbourne to Sydney Wave Pool, so me and Jessie are gonna head down in a few weeks time and get and surf the pool. Walking back now, Claire just did the sickest turn on her last wave, so she's excited, I'm pumped, can't wait to go over the footage with her now and yeah, just give her a few tips and also just congratulate her on her shreddingness. Cleo.
Did you see me shedding out there?
Yes,
I
we
did some
did.
big entails.
That was sick, that last one.
I know.
I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna pop it in this vlog.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that was so good. We filmed it on the phone for a reel, but yeah, we'll pop it in the vlog too. That was so sick. Give me 5, baby. We just finished up the day. 3 big sessions for this chick.
Yep.
And now it's time to grab a hot chocolate and a coffee for the drive home. Urban surf, baby. It was fun, hey?
Yeah.
Don't cough in my face. Alright, you guys, that is it. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here, and hopefully in a few weeks' time, you guys will be seeing a vlog of me surfing urban surf for the first time since my concussion. The footage that I chucked in was actually old footage from like 6 months ago before I got knocked out at the wave pool. So yeah, hopefully give it a month and you should have a video of me surfing the wave pool again. Yay, can't wait. All right, God bless you guys. Enjoy your life.